Did your iPhone contacts suddenly disappear from your iPhone? Sadly, there's no built-in feature in iPhone to recover those contacts. But don't worry, there are lots of workarounds that can help you from heartbreak and hard work. That's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. Well, this solution might sound a little basic to a lot of people, but trust me, this has proven itself from time to time. That's the reason why I suggest you to try out this trick and bring back all the disappeared contacts from your iPhone. Since it hardly takes a second and doesn't affect your data, there is no harm in giving this hack a try. At times, all you need to do in order to fix glitches is force restarting your iPhone. Don't worry, it won't be affecting any data on your device and will probably also fix a lot of other glitches as well. So it's worth a shot. Press volume up, followed by volume down key, and then long press on the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once the device boots up, go back into the Contacts app to see if you're able to find the missing contacts. Another reliable solution in order to get back the missing contacts is to turn off iCloud contacts and then turning it on. And in order to do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Apple ID banner. Then tap on iCloud, tap on Show All under Apps using iCloud, and turn off the toggle next to Contacts. Now you will get a pop-up saying what would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud contacts on your device. And it will offer two options. Select Keep on my iPhone from the two options and restart your device. After the device boots up, return to the iCloud settings and turn on the same toggle. A new Merge option will appear. Tap on it and let it process. After which, go back to the Contacts app and check for the missing contacts. And if it's not there, just let your iPhone sit for a while and let it process all of the things, and it'll probably get the issue fixed. If you have synced contacts from multiple accounts on your iPhone, let's just say you have synced contacts from Gmail, from iCloud, from Yahoo, etc. etc. Yeah, if you're one of those people, then you should try this solution too. Head to the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Contacts. Now tap on Default Contact. Now whatever the default account you have selected, just tap on the other one and reselect iCloud. After which, it is always recommended to restart your iPhone and look for the missing contacts. Another reliable solution in order to restore the missing contacts is to sign out of your Apple ID and then signing in back. To do that, open Settings, tap on Apple ID banner. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. After your iPhone processes all of the sign out settings, just make sure to sign in back with the same Apple ID. Also, I will suggest you to wait for a while before you directly look for the contacts that have gone missing, because it takes a little time for iCloud to sync on your iPhone. So just give it a while. Next, and probably one of the settings that has always worked out for me and has fixed endless number of glitches that I faced on my iPhone is to reset all settings. And why not? Because you're not losing any data and your settings are getting refreshed. So it's a good thing to do. So just navigate to Settings, tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset. Now select Reset All Settings from the pop-up menu. After that, you will be prompted to enter your device passcode, and then you can finally tap on Reset All Settings again to confirm. Now, even after doing all of these things, if the contacts on your device haven't still reappeared, then the only thing that can help you out is to try out a third-party app. There are some good third-party applications out there in the market. Mind you, they might be paid but can help you to retrieve the contacts even if they weren't backed up. You can download and try out these data recovery software by checking out their website, which will be linked in the description down below. Alright, so that is it for this one. Do let me know what are your thoughts about this video. If we've managed to help you, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and make sure to download the iGeeks blog app from the App Store in order to stay updated with everything Apple. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.